Hey peeps, so welcome to another episode of JVLOGS. I just want to, do a little talking, a little advice with you guys based on certain things that I heard like people talking about and the misunderstanding that people have with your bank account, online merchant, just monetary application that people use on a daily basis. So my understanding is a lot of people get it confused where they think that if you use say a PayPal or a Apple Pay or a Google Wallet, then your money can be stolen by hackers who are looking for your information just like that. But I just want to clear up something. Better understand how it works. This is how it works. You have the hard currency right now in front of you. You just get paid and you have the hard currency. You take that into the bank to lodge into your bank account. No, it is 2016. We're in the 21st century. Everything is automated. Everything is done online. So once you put your money into the bank, you put that currency into the bank. It is now turned into a virtual currency. You can have access to that money by getting a Visa card or a debit card. Um, this debit card can be used anywhere around the world. It is linked. Each country is different. They use different merchants, different software to link these cards to the ATM. Most of these ATMs are universal. You can use an ATM, in Jamaica that your bank is in America or wherever it is around the world. You can use that and draw the hard currency again. Also, you can also spend online where you use that virtual currency to spend. No, people get confused with this, saying that PayPal they don't trust it, and PayPal application, Android Pay, Google Wallet is like a protective layer where you add your bank information, your card number, you code everything into that application. No, what this application does is it use a username and a password because the bank information is already stored in that application. It is much easier now to access stuff online, right? So spending online using these merchants will basically safeguard or put an extra layer of safety on your bank cards or your bank account. So pretty much these applications are to better help you keep safe online when you're spending, because as you may know or may not, there's hackers out there where use keystrokes. Anything that you type into the computer, once they enter through the back door of your PC, they can basically see whatever you type online. Whatever website you go on, they can see that and they can have access to that. They write down and put all your information on file. So they write down and put all the information on file. Now to safeguard it, my advice is use one of these online merchants. It is easy to pay your friends. With PayPal, you put in your bank information, you create an email, you give them, put in your email, put a password in, and you can pay your friends, and it is free. The only problem that you'll have is that in some countries you cannot send that money to your bank account. You can just keep it on PayPal and use it there, which is pretty easy because a lot of online stores like Old Navy, Area Postal, all those stores they use PayPal to receive money, so it is widely accepted. It is very safe. So I use PayPal. It is strongly recommended. You have Apple Pay, you have Google Pay. These are extra layer of safety to help you. Alright, so I hope you learned something. I hope you enjoyed this mini clip. It's just an informative mini clip. Nothing funny, but I hope you learned something new today and take that with you. So thanks for watching JVLOGS. Remember to subscribe and share. I post videos on Mondays and Thursdays and mini clips like this on the weekend. So thanks for watching. Remember, JVLOGS people, I'm out.